This downtown Kingston, Jamaica, West Indies, in the Caribbean. Come yasso, feel let loose and be bad. With the rude boy and girl. Me not talk about man the highway. When them say, them a go build party zone. Me not talk about Royal, the wickedest city on earth. When in 1692, earthquake sink half into the sea, leaving us with giddy house. Now you have hotel and the famous fish spot Glorias. Recently, cruise ships from around the world. It is at Port Royal, the rich and the wealthy Kingstonians dock them yachts. This a piece of the island, we're out in the sea. The breeze blow wild and fast. It's strong, that's why you have to be extra careful when you swim. You can see the surfers riding the wave out at sea. Me never see that. I want to tell you about town from the National Heroes Park, where the government say they might go build a new parliament. The amount that's in downtown Jamaica National Library, they on East Street. All the historical buildings and churches, they're on St. William Grant Park. It's important to mention Liberty Hall. Go there, learn the legacy of Marcus Garvey. Him our national hero. Go down to Victoria Pier, you go past Jamaica National Art Gallery. Look over to your right for Craft Market. Enough people don't know about Ocean Towers, but it are the fanciest apartment in town. Yes, up on the waterfront are where the military ship them dock. When me did young, me remember seeing big white, some of them army color ships. Right, yes, sir? They put them play a jump in the water. Them tell people throw kind in the sea. Then them dive and race to see who can reach it first. From right, yes, sir? If you look across the harbor, you will see plane a fly in and out of Manly International Airport. Now, right as up on the waterfront, the government keeps special shows. Our government display big fireworks to bring in the new year. We get big stage show. Our famous reggae artists perform for the crowd, for people who come to watch the spectacle all around. Anyway, I want to tell you about Garrison, where the people them up all night, every night. Yes, sir, you can drink rum and smoke as you like. Yes, sir, at the wildest and the rawest part in town. Yes, sir, you stay up all night laughing and skylarking. Yes, sir, you and the madman who eat out the trash are one. Me mean the people them not treat them bad. If him dirty and stink, him have to keep him distance. See him over there so like a dopey. It's humbling to see. One love, me can stay so attack all day. But there is more. Downtown is where the major hospitals them locate. Jubilee of a woman giving birth. Way out of town, at Bellevue, are where the madman them go. Them are the one who you see asleep on the road. You would have think them not have nowhere to go. We have enough food market. Every now and again them burn down one. We have enough arcade where the iglas them sell them foreign clothes. Every now and again them burn down one too. People from all of the parishes them pan the island travel to downtown Kingston to sell and buy goods. You can get wholesale price for everything from a pin to an anchor. All of your favorite restaurants, they downtown. Oh no, Moby Dick, on the corner, Iron Street and Port Royal Street for them delicious curry goats. You can get food from the corner shop. You have enough food stall and enough food cart. You have to know them there. I saw the price better. Between the wholesales and the store buildings, people set up shops. Them string up clothes and shoes in the road. There is barely anywhere for walk. Go Beckford Street and look lane. At this me call convenient shopping. If you no want stop long. Downtown fun in the crowd with the people in my shop. Yo, you hear me? Look out for thief and bad man. Just like in the wild. Them a rude boy, like lion, we notice you if you're vulnerable. Meaning you're new in a town. Blend in the crowd. Act like everybody else. So woman, clench your purse in front of you. And man, keep your wallet in your front pocket. You see me I want you? Leave your gold chain and your valuables them at your yard. Keep your phone in your bag. Use the headphone. You have to know where to go. Downtown Kingston have some seriously bad turf. From history till now, one side always a kill the other side for power. To see who can control the collecting of extortion money in a town. Me don't know for sure, but I saw me here. This is something where the police them are try to control, but you know, maybe one and two I get a cut. So me here, gone was the days when they used to leave man car on 4 stone. Sure it's still a go on. pay for car parking at the place in front of tax office if you drive. It's worth it and it's reasonable. You can usually command them doing street parking. Just be careful. Some of them good me know. Jamaica Bank is a landmark just like here Jamaica building. At downtown, you will find almost all of the government offices. If you want justice, go any of the whole heap of courthouse them in a town. GP prison is downtown. You did know say a death of them house slaves when them did come. We have whole heap of fish market, but the most popular one, dep on the waterfront, Area Town. Nearby, them play old hits. You go here so for pop style in your fancy clothes, wine and dance. Me no know, but I hope it's still a go on. You have a few clubs, if any downtown. There is a new restaurant we play music on the waterfront. There is always some street dance around Robin at a bar somewhere downtown. A whole heap of sitting go on downtown, but me can only mention where me know. Reggae music have one deep history, enough place downtown. Recording studios, them they all around. For me, downtown stop a crossroad, and uptown are from Half a Tree to St. Andrews Mountain Peak. Downtown Kingston Fun.